Hey friends, I just wanted to go over your math problems that you did yesterday. If you want to get out your work and follow along, that way you can see what you did wrong or if you got them all right and you understand it. So let's start with number 1. George began reading at 4:43. He finished 28 minutes later. When did he finish? So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my number line and write my start time on my number line, which is 4:43. So now I have to jump 28 minutes to see when he finished. So I'm going to jump 10, which will be 4:53. Then I need to jump another 10, which changes my hour. It'll be 5:03. Now I need to jump 8 more minutes. So I'm going to break it up into a 5 and a 3. So if I jump 5 more minutes, it's going to be 5:08. Now I need to jump 3 more minutes. I can do 2 things. I can jump by ones or just jump 3. I'm going to jump by ones just to show you. So I'm going to jump 1 minute, which is 5:09. 1 more minute, which is 5:10. And then 1 more minute, which is 5:11. So my answer of what time George finished reading is 5:11. Number 2 says, Emma's soccer game began at 6:11. Her team played for a total of 2 hours and 23 minutes. When did they stop playing? So I drew my number line and I wrote my start time on there, which is 6:11. Now I have to jump for 2 hours and 23 minutes. So here's 1 hour, which will make it 7:11. Another hour, which will make it 8:11. Now I have to jump 23 minutes. So I'm going to jump 10, which will make it 8:21. And I'm going to jump another 10, which will make it 8:31. Now I have to jump 3 minutes. So instead of jumping by my ones, I'm just going to jump by 3, which will make it 8:34. So Emma's soccer game ended at 8:34. So number 3 says, Katie went to Chuck E. Cheese for her friend's birthday party. The party began at 2:15 and ended 1 hour and 47 minutes later. When did the party end? So I drew my number line and I wrote my start time, which is 2:15. Now I'm going to jump 1 hour and 47 minutes. So if I jump 1 hour, my time will be 3:15. I have to jump 47 minutes. So I'm going to jump by tens, which will be 3:25. Another 10, which will be 3:35. Another 10, which will be 3:45. Another 10, which will be 3:55. Okay, so that's my 40. Now I have to jump 7 minutes. So I'm going to jump a 5 to make it 4 o'clock. And then I'm going to jump 2 more, which will make it 4:02. So the party ended at 4:02. All right, so our last problem says, Jose went to the park at 7:16. He played for 47 minutes. When did he leave the park? So I drew my number line and I wrote what time he went to the park, which is 7:16, and now I'm going to jump 47 minutes. So I'm going to jump 10, 7:26, 10, 7:36, plus 10 more minutes is 7:46. Then another 10 is 7:56. Okay, so I jumped 40. Now I have to go 7 more minutes. So right now I'm going to jump, this is going to sound really strange, so I have to jump 47 minutes. I've already jumped 40. Now I have to jump 7 more. Okay, I'm going to show you something a little different. So the hard thing for kids is to get to that hour. So if I can figure out how many more minutes do I need to get to 8 o'clock, it's going to be helpful. So I know that I need 4 more minutes. So if I break 7 down into 4 and 3, because 4 plus 3 equals 7, I'm going to add 4 more minutes, which will be 8 o'clock. And then I still have 3 minutes to add. So then I'm going to add 3 more minutes, which will be 8:03. So my answer is that he left the park at 8:03. Now, you can jump by ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, whatever is easiest for you. I just wanted to show you a different way to think about this. So today I'm having you watch a video on Khan Academy. I know that you've gotten really good at being able to do elapsed time with a number line. This shows you more of what test questions may look like and just a few different questions that you haven't really seen before, but it's good to watch. So all you're going to do today is watch this, and then you can come down here and practice the problems. And that's it. You don't have to send me your work. You don't have to send me your answers. I just want you to watch and practice. All right, guys, y'all have a fabulous Thursday. Oh, I'm sorry, Wednesday.